Darkness
Oh.
is a parasite. It burrows its way into your soul and feeds on your most selfish desires. Your every wish, tainted and twisted, as you become the very thing darkness wants you to be. In that world, there is no future for any of us. I have witnessed this firsthand. I refuse to let
You're
it
from
happen
the
again.
future.
So know this as you step away from the light once more. Inside us all is the strength to control darkness. We need only look inward and remember why we're here. We are humanity's final salvation.
Well, that's not a concerning way to phrase that. Ghost, you gonna say something here?
We need to get further into the base. If I can access their network...
I'm so happy.
Why is that?
I finally found a copy of Into Thin Air by John Krakauer. And I am going to read the hell out of it.
Nice.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, it was, we went down to, Inglewood today, and, we stopped in that Fairs Fair bookstore,
Nice.
and it's such a nice bookstore, holy cow.
Every Ferris Fair is my favorite.
Yeah,
They're just like so cheap, if nothing else.
exactly. They just got a good vibe to them.
Yeah. They've got that bookstore vibe down. Oh. Oh.
There's also a newsstand with the communist, like, newsletter on it. Like, it had pictures of Che Guevara all over it, and, like...
God.
And I had to pick it up naturally.
Yeah, of course.
And we've been reading it. We're pretty sure it's funded by Cuba, because every article is about Cuban, like, Cuba against the world, basically, like, and the Cuban and the unnecessary sanctions against Cuba, and yeah.
Wait, like, Cuba's sanctions against it?
Know exactly what it was. It was either sanctions or a blockade or something.
I think we'd know if there was a Cuban blockade.
Yeah.
I feel like that would be big news.
I don't think what I picked up is necessarily reputable journalism.
That's fair, yes.
But you know.
Sometimes you gotta read the sketchy newsletter because it's funny.
Exactly.
Pure comedic value.
Uh-huh.
Yo, it's lit.
Still haven't
Lit.
been able to track down Zahn. Cabal...
Hey, this remix is sick.
Is it
Oh,
fire?
okay, I'm on the conclusion of Ben's essay.
Is it good?
Sure.
That didn't sound confident.
One of my least favorite things is reading other people's essays. I don't know why. It's draining to me. And I read a lot, and I can't get through another student's essay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you should call it payback.
I'm fine reading other people's essays if they're actual authors, though, is the thing.
Yeah.
Like, we've read a few essays for English that are just, I'm like, okay, this is an awesome essay. But, like, yeah. People ask me to proofread, I do not want to do that.
Thing is, I want to be proofread, so I have to proofread.
Exactly.
That's just like, That's a trade-off.
That's the natural order of things.
Yeah. Are you doing 31 as well?
Yeah, I'm doing 31.
Nice.
Although,
I'll have to start like a study group.
yeah, I'm partially considering dropping it, but the thing is, my next term is Calc, social, and then I have 2 options. So if I drop Calc and like take a spare, I'll have nothing to do. But also, I don't need Calc at all, so I don't know.
Thing that's weird for me is I want to do Calc, but I don't want to do the AP test for Calc, you know?
That's fair, yeah.
It's partially because May, when we do it, is going to be so busy. Because that's when field trips open up, and I'm in the field trip class practically with EEI.
Aren't you allowed to just opt out of the
AP test?
Yeah.
I think so. I'll talk about it, but I still want to do like the course because I think calculus would be useful for wherever I go into.
Yeah, calculus is a weird one because, like, I don't know. I want to take it, but like, definitely not going to use it in whatever course I'm going into.
Yeah.
Like, I want to take it for the challenge, though. Which is, I feel like, not the reason people normally take it.
By losing his identity, Winston's journey was a predictable defeat. The complete revision of social institutions and strength of the party's power makes it hard to see another tangible outcome. In 1984, we see a society different from today. A society that has complete control over societal structures, even basic forms such as the family or language. Though these forms, the party is able to limit certainty or empathy between individuals. Once this empathy has been extracted, individuals will not understand why they should help others, so individuals cannot be honorable or morally correct. Finally, if one cannot uphold their honor for others, they will not be able to uphold certainty in themselves. This results in a transformation of identity from an individual to the collective of uncertain and unhonorable people. Ben says unhonorable in this essay repeatedly. I'm actually going to find I'll replace it because it drives me nuts.
I sometimes do that on purpose, like if it's in my theme statement, or not theme statement, thesis. It's like creating a theme within my essay. I don't know. I don't know if that's actually a good choice or not, though. I just do it. Yep.
I'm replacing it all with just... Okay, I think I got all the...
Bad boy.
I think I got all those typos, actually. Undishonorable people. Winston's journey through the society of 1984 shows how basic and necessary meaningful human interaction is. Alongside the effects on morality, honor, and certainty of identity, we begin to limit these connections. Okay. That was a decent essay.
Nice.
I'm done it. The Toby. Do you need food? Do you need food, puppy?
I feel like your dog is not a puppy. Although
I call him puppy.
every dog is also always a puppy.
Exactly.
Except for greyhounds. Greyhounds are not puppies ever. That's my one exception.
No comment. I don't care enough about greyhounds to definitively hate them or love them.
They just look wacky.
They do.
I feel like they're the dog you get if you want intimidation factor.
Rottweiler. With a spiked collar. And you name it Ripjaw or something.
Okay. I'll restate that. Greyhounds are the dog you get if you want intimidation factor without having an ugly dog.
Are Rottweilers ugly now? Cause yes, I can agree with that.
I do believe so.
I can concede there.
Got it. I'm making the elimination of Cargill your priority in this operation. His crew has been active all over the system. From our end,
They aren't even really scary, they're kind of just like slobbery.
however, removing him can only
The
strengthen
Rotties.
our position.
Yeah.
Put him down.
We got Toby from like the sketchiest place. Like, though I love my dog a lot, I hope they shut that place down.
Oh no.
Cause it looked like it was a backyard breeder in every sense of the word.
First.
Bruh.
But there are these two giant Rottweilers there, and Toby's just like a tiny little puppy. He's running up, and they just start like at him right through the
Aw.
fence, and he got all scared.
Oh.
I don't think he's ever been the same since.
You're a very big dog.
I haven't seen him before then, so I wouldn't be.
That's
I
fair,
wouldn't know.
yes.
Anyway, I'm gonna go feed him because
Okay.
he's looking. Oh, but it's only 4:30.
He looking hungry.
He's looking hungry, but he also like. It's also too early.
That's fair.
A little tough love is needed.
There's got to be a way to get through here. Failsafe, any ideas?
I believe Centurions will possess the means to remove the Vex block and
Hate what they did to the Google icons with like Google Calendar and Gmail.
Oh my god, yeah. I'm okay with the Drive one. That's the only one though. All the other ones are like ugly.
But did Drive even change? I can't even.
No, it didn't really, and that's why I'm okay with it.
Fair.
Like the lines just kind of got thicker on Drive. All the other ones, it's like, why the mail look like that now? Who hurt the mail like
They
that?
all look the same now. Gmail, like I can hardly find the app, and I put it in my like the little bar at the bottom of my phone, so I'd always be able to find it, and I still can't find it because it looks like every other Google app.
Which I think was the point, but like, too effective.
Yeah, I totally forgot that changeable thing.
I saw this neat bird outside my window. You wouldn't happen to be able to identify birds, would you?
I can use Google.
Here, I'll send you a pic.
Okay.
Where's a good one? See that dude? He's like all speckled and like got like a
One
red
second.
face.
Oh.
Is that a woodpecker?
It's gotta be a woodpecker. The beak's like pointy.
Yeah.
I better start
Yeah,
calling
it's a woodpecker. You're right.
Firewall in place. That should slow us down.
a redneck woodpecker.
Good up. Oh.
I like Animal
Yeah, he was
Man.
just chilling on the house across from the.
I really like Animal Man because like sometimes you get exactly what it is from the name.
And sometimes you don't at
Sometimes
all.
you're like, what animal is that? With birds though, usually their names are like, okay, that is what that is.
Oh, apparently we got a lab
Oh,
on
fine.
Thursday. You can. But I don't want to do it.
Fair enough. Chem labs are never really hard, but like, I don't know, they're just effort. That, like, but the other thing about labs is, it's a lot of stress for what is worth not even half a quiz.
Sorry?
Like, labs, their mark value is like not even half the quiz. But like, I always get stressed out doing them, like it all has to be perfect.
Yeah, never is.
Yeah, it never is. Especially with titration,
There's
those
always-
things are the worst.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll be back.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go probably feed the dog, use the washroom. Then I think I'm gonna do math because I'd rather do that than this lab.
Fair enough.
So, yeah.
You keep doing that, and he's really gonna want you then. Just saying.
GG. Damn, physical thing. It's not exactly like the things I'm looking
Aramis
for.
is sending another wide-range transmission.
Oh my.
Judgment Day is upon us, my fellow Elixir. Another foundational pillar of our beautiful society has been knocked down. Praxis, dear
Oh
friend,
my god.
your death at the hands of those puppets will not go unavenged. Soon they will answer for what they've done. I will see to it myself.
Good, I guess.
Rise now, my fellow Elixir. Do not let this scum take more of our sisters, brothers, fathers, and mothers. We are the future of our kind, and we will destroy all who threaten us. Leave no pawn alive.
You know, for being our headquarters, there aren't a lot of volume here. Commune dock. Nice. Saber. Ugh, it's so too bad. That's toys. Saber's gone.
Chow.
Hello.
That's what it's called.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Boys. They're all hitting me. What the heck? Oh, this is not the main boss. The campaign. That would make sense. All right. Oh.
Be careful, Guardian. This is stasis at its most powerful. I won't lie. It scares me.
Fair
I just
enough.
don't want to see it turn on you. Its grasp is sinister.